Our next topic is health and safety culture. The health and safety culture of an organization is the way that all the people within the organization think and feel about health and safety, and how this translates into behavior. It can be defined as shared attitude, value, belief, and behaviors relating to health and safety. It will be either be positive or negative. Culture is considered a central concept that are transmitted through social learning in human societies. Cultural universals are found in all human societies. These include expressive forms like art, music, dance, ritual, religion, and technologies, like tools usage, cooking, shelter, and clothing too. The concept of material culture covers the physical expression of culture, such as technology, architecture, and art, whereas the immaterial aspects of culture such as principle of social organization includes practical of political organization and social institutions. Mythology, philosophy, literature, and science comparison the intangible cultural heritage of a society. There are both positive and negative safety culture among the organization and mankind. People who use the available material for safety purpose will lead to negative safety culture. But people who use the proper safety material and precautions develops a positive safety culture. In the picture, you can see the people who used available materials for the safety has developed a negative safety culture. And the person who used proper safety material has developed the positive safety culture. Everyone in the organization think and feel the safety is everyone's responsibility. But only few will utilize it as shown in the picture. A lifeguard is the one who is properly trained, but many people pretend that they follow safety procedure. The only possible way is that everyone must be trained to use a safety policy which lead to safety culture. Relationship between health and safety culture and performance. There is a strong link between an organization's health and safety culture and its health and safety performance. Organizations with a strong positive culture tend to perform well, whereas those with a negative, weak culture perform badly. In an organization with a positive health and safety culture, the majority of the workers think and feel that health and safety is important. There is a strong policy and clear leadership from the top because senior managers have this attitude, which runs through the whole organization from top to bottom. Managers think about the health and safety implications of the decision, and workers do likewise. People work safely because they want to, not simply because they have to. Even without close supervision, because this is the way the things are done in the organization. In an organization like this, it is easy to see the clear link between health and safety culture and performance. People work safely, so there will be fewer accidents and less ill health. It is also easy to see why organizations strive to create a strong positive health and safety culture, because where there is one, it has a direct influence on worker behavior. Hence, good safety culture, zero accident, excellent performance are the impact of positive safety culture. In an organization with a negative health and safety culture, the majority of the workers think and feel that health and safety is not important. They are poorly educated in health and safety and see it is an unnecessary or interference. There is a lack of clear direction and leadership from senior management. Managers do not think about health and safety in their decision making, and so let other priorities such as short-term profit dedicate their actions. Workers behave unsafely, often because they do not know anything better. In an organization like this, it is easy to see that there will be a lack of proper attention to health and safety standards. Standards will not be understood or worked to. Behavior will be poor and accidents and ill health will occur as a result. There are various factors that have a negative impact on health and safety culture in an organization, which includes lack of strong safety leadership from the management, which is the top factor that have a negative impact on health and safety culture. Presence of blame culture, blaming one another in the organization for a small mistake. Lack of management commitment to safety. Example, saying one thing and doing another thing. Health and safety receiving lower priority than other business issue. Organizational changes, frequently or poorly communicated changes resulting in uncertainty. High staff turnover rates. That is, workers do not stay long enough to get influenced. Lack of resource. Too few workers due to downsization and lack of correct equipment. Lack of worker consultation. Interpersonal issues, example, unregulated peer group pressure, bullying or harassment. Poor management system and procedures are also a factor that have a negative impact on health and safety culture. External influence also plays a major role in the factors that affect the negative impact on health and safety culture. Example, economic climate resulting in different operating conditions. Hence, these are all considered as the factors that have a negative impact on health and safety culture in an organization.